Kangaba said PLU's strategic alliance with NRM is based on achieving results for our people. Our members in the cabinet and parliament must follow the president's instructions to return to the grassroots and effectively monitor government programs. In the next post, establishing who would remain as the bedrock of the organization through its transition, Muhoozi Kangaba said, I am retaining Michael Wagira, Edwin Karugira, Honorable Michael Mwanda, and Andrew Mwenda on the Central Committee of PLU. The rest will be announced soon. So moving forward, explaining why a broader shake-up was necessary for the organization next phase, Muhoozi Kangaba said, in the next months, I will appoint a new membership of the Central Committee of PLU. We achieved what we set out with the previous team. The new challenges that face us need a fresh team to be created. You look at this. Now going on to the second thing. In the next post, we see the massive macroeconomic target driving these structural changes. Muhoozi Kangaba said, our task as PLU is to achieve Muze's target of a $500 billion GDP by 2031. Will surprise all government departments to achieve that goal. In the next post, directing the immediate handover of the secretariat to handle on operation of the scale, Muhoozi Kangaba said, the national vice chairperson of PLU, Mr. Michael Bagwere, is hereby instructed to organize the handover takeover ceremony of the position of General Secretary of PLU as soon as possible. So from Daudi Kabanda to Honorable Fadil, all PLU ministers and members of parliament must attend. This urgent directive immediately triggered real-time logistical feedback from high-ranking officials who were away on state duty. As documented, Honorable Bakenyi quickly replied to the post to flag a scheduling conflict, stating, Chairman, we are in Changwanzi for cabinet retreat. I pray we conduct the handover upon return. Thank you. Simultaneously, as captured, Dr. Jane Ruth Cheng Oshero echoed this collective dilemma, replying to the directive. Chairman, directive is noted. We are ready to abide. However, the PLU ministers are in Changwanzi, currently up to 23 ministers. Our prayer is that handover takes place after our return. Long live Chairman. Moving forward, confirming the new appointment and honoring the service of the outgoing official, Muhoozi Kangaba said, the new General Secretary of PLU is Honorable Fadil Twala. I will work closely with him to achieve our objectives. I thank Honorable Kabanda for his 3 years of excellent service. He set the standard high for the position. In the next post, providing an immediate public response to this major leadership change is documented. Daudi Kabanda said, we are not in PLU for positions. We are here because we believe in its values and objectives. Our chairman, General Muhoozi Kangaba, founded it without positions in mind. We will only retire when those values and objectives are fully achieved. In the next post, the new committee begins to expand with heavy hitters, ensuring the outgoing General Secretary remain a core part of the team. Muhoozi Kangaba said, Honorable Kabanda is retained as a member of the Central Committee. In the next post, bringing on a substantial new roster of legal, political, and media figures, Muhoozi Kangaba said, Honorable Frank Tumegwaze, Honorable Kirwa Kiwanuka, Mr. Hussein Kashilingi, and Mr. Halan Kasuja are appointed members of the Central Committee. Moving forward, giving one of those new members a key regional mandate, Muhoozi Kangaba noted Honorable Kirwa is also appointed Vice Chairperson for Baganda. In another post, the committee rounds out by anchoring itself across vital business pillars to present the private sector. Muhoozi Kangaba said, Honorable Sanjay Tana appointed to the Central Committee as representative of the business community. In another post, also securing a direct high-level pipeline into the legislator, Muhoozi said, Right Honorable, both and Right Honorable Tayewa appointed members of the Central Committee. They are my special voice to Parliament. So moving forward, to preserve institutional memory and ties to the movement's roots, Muhoozi said Mr. Kwame Ruyondo appointed Central Committee representative for NRI Historicals in the final post, maintaining political continuity in a vital territory. Muhoozi said Honorable Balam Barohanga retains his position as Vice Chairman, Western Region. Looking at the broader the structural shakeup, the figures dropped from the Patriotic League of Uganda PLU Central Committee based on the article David Kabala, Secretary General, and Kasambia County MP. Doza is dropped. Balam Baruganga, State Minister for Youth and Children Affairs. Lillian Aber from Kidgum, State Minister for Relief, dropped. Frank Gashumba, businessman, has also been dropped. Henry Basaliza, veteran mobilizer, also dropped. The 4 members retained by Muhoozi Michael Nuwagira, Edwin Karugire, Michael Mwanda, Andrew Mwenda. So 5 prominent members were dropped, while 4 are retained on the list you're seeing. And that concludes the post-by-post breakdown from a retained core to an aggressive $500 billion economic target and the introduction of heavy-hitting ministers and parliamentary envoys. The new structure of the Patriotic League of Uganda is officially set. Let me know your thoughts on the lineup in the comments below. Until next time, thank you for tuning in. And we glimpse at Lillian right from Chankwanzi.